Okay, so what I've done so far is with the eagle's head, I've done the beak, the outline in low relief, that little bit engraved. I might actually deepen that line a little bit later on. And then I've started doing each of these little ones in low relief as well. And I've started doing some doodles on each separate bit. So you can see I've started with the head. I'll do that bit engraved from the front, and then I'll work my way down to do the outlines in low relief, and then fill in the doodle detail in engraving from the front. And then what I'll do at the end is I'll raise it. Okay, so I'll show you when we get there how to do that.